Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Wrap It Up Wednesdays on Adventures with Piccadilly. Today, I am going to be showing you a wrap that kind of lives in my other non-YouTube world of being an attorney. So typically, I see a lot of people ask, what's a formal wrap? What's a professional looking wrap that I can wear? And so I just decided to show you, this is my number one, the most professional wrap I can make it. That is my go-to whenever I need that situation. So let's get started. And during this video, I have my super special assistant, Bubba.
Like when everything makes up to the egg, it made an eggy sandwich.
Yep, it makes an eggy sandwich. So let's get started. All right, so here I have on a Rapunzel signature shaper. That's one of their smaller, possibly their smallest shaper, and just enough to kind of keep a smooth look for my hair. Nothing too crazy out there. Basically everything with this wrap is about doing just the smallest bit of personalization, but with a lot of like demure, it doesn't catch the eye professionalism. I am going to be using also a black 2-in-1, also from Rapunzel, and a soft headband that I like just to add that tiny bit of personalization, because you can still be special without losing your professionalism. Yes, love.
What happened?
The screen turned off.
I tried to turn back on.
So let's get started. I am going to take my rectangular 2-in-1 and fold it just slightly down the edge so that the length of the scarf is similar to the size of my head. Mm-hmm. Line it up with the top of my shaper, and then tie the two tails in the back. And I want these tails to be basically even. Love, please put it back.
Today is a special day. It's a great day. When the egg is smashed up, I saw Piccadilly when I was walking to my, and when I go to school, I bring my number 1 and I tried to get it out, and it was time to go home and see you later.
Good job. Thank you, buddy. High five. So I've got my rectangular scarf tied in a simple tie in the back, and then I have the tails basically equal. They don't have to be exactly equal because they're not going to be joined together. They're going to be kind of crossed, but basically equal will give you the best start. So from here, I'm going to pick a side to start on. Take the scarf, I'm gonna fold the edges in just a bit and hold them sort of tight, sort of loose, so that when I pull up and around, the curvature of my head is kind of followed by the tautness of the scarf, so that here I don't have a lot of extra like bulging on the sides, because to me that looks crazy. I'm gonna bring it around and tuck. And this one I'm gonna tuck underneath the scarf, in between the scarf and the shaper. So straight into that knot. And then before I do the second side, which I'm going to do basically the same way, I'm going to bring up the headband and put it at a bit of an angle. A little bit kind of more to the front on the same side as I just put up, and more to the back on the side that I have loose, so that when I bring my second tail up and around, please put that down, thank you, up and around, oops, try that one more time.
Oops.
Oops.
Can I go on top first?
No, you may not.
Why?
Up and around again. I'm gonna try to do it at a bit of an angle. That way.
Why did it? That's to the Melt again.
Because it does, baby.
Melt again.
I'm exposing part of that headband, but not all of it.
Mommy.
I'm gonna bring the tail around and tuck this one up under that same tail on the side because I've got the space on this side where I didn't have it on the other side. And there you have it. So this to me is a go-to wrap for when I need to be a little bit more on the professional, not on the fun, playful, whimsical side. And my number one concern with a wrap like this is that it stays in place all day long. And this wrap is great for that.
And boom, it's a ladder. And I use it to climb, and climb. And there you go. That's how you climb a ladder.
That's an excellent job explaining how to climb a ladder, baby. Thank you. All right. Thank you, everyone, for checking out this Wrap It Up Wednesday. I hope you like it, my professional side. Please like and subscribe. Drop a comment down below. I'd love for you to drop some requests for more professional wraps or any wraps that you like down in the comments for me to figure out. Thanks, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.
And the ladder has a 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps.
Good job.
And when I put a pillow, it's down. And put on 2 pillows. That's what happens.
Oh no!
It falls. And actually, this is when you put a cap on top, it doesn't fall actually. And I have one more video. This will be it. And when you put this on top, it doesn't fall. The end.